Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of Amazon Shopping. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we click on Amazon Shopping app. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Amazon Shopping, and then if you find the update in this blue sign, you can click here to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.